connected world. Okay, we have seen the magic of connectivity in yesterday example. We have seen the example of ambulance and the school bus. So I hope it was a the concept is already clear to all of you. Now this is the definition of a smart city. Smart city solutions are multilateral by nature. Okay, it is not a unilateral. Okay, multilateral means connectivity. That means combination of all, combinational of all, or involvement of all. They have multiple facets requiring multiple pupils, multiple process, places, or assets to be interlinked at the same time. While the smart city agenda is being driven by the government and the city administration will require funding for these projects. Hence, the question of monetization is crucial to ensure that projects transition for plan to reality. Sir, what is monetization? Anurag sir, what is monetization?
Sir, earning of money.
Sir, definitely sir. है ना, हाँ, without money this project will not be executed. First of all, smart city के लिए जो challenges हैं, that the first challenge is the monetization. Everything requires the money, and money is a crucial factor inside that, because whatever system you will develop for the connectivity point of view also, it will require the huge amount of money for the proper execution. After that you will feel the magic of this smart city. Without money it is very difficult to execute the things. Basically this is the main aim about that. Okay.
Yes.
And one word I want to ask sir, a little bit out of the scope of this one. Have you heard the word remonetization? Demonetization to sab logon ne face kiya hai. We all have already faced the demonetization. Remonetization, re sir, remonetization.
Sir, yes sir.
क्या होता है remonetization?
Sir, we can after investing money we can earn back the revenue from that arrangement.
हाँ सर एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा मैं उसमें बताऊंगा टेक्नोलॉजिकल टर्म्स में व्हाट बेसिकली रीमोनेटाइजेशन इज. एंड सूनर देन लेटर, ओके, जस्ट नोट डाउन माय सेंटेंस, सूनर देन लेटर in this era you will find the remonetization process through the cryptocurrencies. And by in the field in this one era of pandemic situations, very soon you will face the remonetization situation also by adopting the cryptocurrencies. Okay, cryptocurrencies, and that is the part of blockchain that I will try to cover in the this one. So 2-3 things are there: monetization to demonetization, demonetization to remonetization. Okay, so remonetization purely related to the cryptocurrencies. We are moving from centralized to decentralized manner. And FI, one word is there, FI is related to finance. Okay sir, finance.
Yes, sir.
And another word is DeFi, DEFI, that is the decentralized finance. Okay, whenever you see these words DeFi and this one, this is basically related to the cryptocurrencies or the crypto economics.
Okay.
So another one is in the approach of smart cities mission, the objective is to promote cities that provide core infrastructure and give a decent quality of life to its citizens, a clean and sustainable environment, and application of smart solutions. Okay, 2-3 things are there. Quality of life, life expectancy, quality of life will be improved, life expectancy will be improved, because the only answer is that we humans are the curious one. We want to make our life better and better, and technology provides a solution. Technology always provide the platform in which we sort the things like that, we seek the solution like that. Okay, what next? So a clean sustainable environment we can expect inside the smart city and application of smart solutions. Akash?
Hello, sir. Is it a video?
Sound is not coming, sir. Audio, no audio.
No sound in video.
No audio, sir.
Audio not available.
There is no audio in this video.
Hello, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
just now you have seen this one video of smart city. Basically, everything is connected. The important part is the wind energy and the solar energy. Okay, these are the important pillar you will find inside the smart city. Okay, because energy plays a important or vital part for the connectivity point of view. So these things are there. So smart city basically a foundation that is built upon the smart economy, and so many things you will find. Okay, international grant and the global MNCs, government agency, there will be a role of founders, startup, venture capital, academia, portal. Okay, connectivity regarding the web, or in that like a web of things type of things will be there. Public sector buyers and so many things you will find inside the smart economy part. And smart governance is also related to the smart city, like public services, emergency services, banking, finance, reform, safety, surveillance, citizens, officials, government agencies, all should be connected. All should be connected. Yesterday also I have in my example also I have taken okay, randomly you draw the circles. Okay, you draw the circles on one white paper and simply randomly connect all these, and the architecture, whatever may be the situation, whatever comes in your mind, like smart park or whatever things are there, so it will be architecture of a smart city. Okay, it is a blank frame. Basically you need to you need to draw the picture as per your requirement. Okay, this will become the architecture of a smart city. You will fill this one. And smart city means it is related to the smart peoples. Here it is not a appearance. Basically smart people means connected peoples. Smart, what do you mean about the smart peoples? Neha, what do you mean about the smart peoples here?
Sir, the people should be connected.
Yeah,
All the people.
any other idea?
So they should be aware of the
Excellent, sir.
recent
Sir,
changes.
excellent, sir, excellent. That is the important thing. Basically, previously literacy was one word was there, literacy. Now it going to be changed by the illiteracy. Okay, and
Yeah.
smart people is there should be awareness about the illiteracy. Otherwise, there will not be any use of this one. Okay, if any people is there who cannot access the system, okay, unable to connect with the internet, okay, that means there is no use of a smart city. There is no use of a smart city. So this literacy is converted into the illiteracy. So transport, social network, current affairs, safety, population, healthcare, education, media, okay, and another sort of connectivity is also banking, shopping, all should be connected, sir. Okay, this is the idea, all should be connected. Smart, these factors are related to the environments, okay, water management, smart energy, green constructions, disaster management. What do you mean about the green construction?
Sir, buildings having its own resources without without need of air conditioning also.
Yes, any other?
Electricity and water resources, water harvesting system, solar panels for electricity generation,
Yes.
and
Yes.
consuming architecture is such that they are not prone to excess amount of solar heat being absorbed inside the building.
Yes, sir, definitely. These are the main characteristics of the this one green construction, and localities also, smart localities also, agriculture is also there, forest monitoring, pollution monitoring, and this population is also related to the smart environment. Okay, so these things are there.
Yes, sir.
And one thing is there. What is the hurdle related to the population, sir? If you are
Again,
going
sir?
to deploy the smart city project, what is the hurdle related to the population, sir? Why? What do we mean if I am taking this population here? What concept comes in your mind, sir?
Population has to be taken into
Scarcity of resources.
consideration while planning smart cities, because as per latest current trend, population is increasing exponentially. So
Yes, sir.
anything and everything we plan must be planned accordingly, so that in the coming few decades we don't exhaust our resources.
Ha, sir, very nicely you have replied, sir. Because whatever things we are planning, it's all basically for the population only. Okay, for the public also. And what we can expect, we can plan for the 10% increase, 20% increase, but it is a major drawback or some constraint also regarding the government policies. Okay, whenever government form any project or guidelines, it already exhausted in the implementation phase itself, sir. Okay, 5-year planning also can be considered, or 10-year planning also, but population growth is much faster than this one as per the deployment rate of any project. So that's why population is considered inside this one smart city environment. Whenever we are executing some project, or when we are planning some project regarding this one, so it should be taken consideration of. This is the definition in terms of ICT of smart city. A smart sustainable city is an innovative city that uses information and communication technologies and other means to improve quality of life, efficiency of urban operations and services, and competitiveness, while ensuring that it meets the needs of present and future generations with respect of economic, social, environment, and as well as cultural aspects. Sir, is there any doubt in this definition? This is the very simple definition as per the ITO, okay, that they have taken. Okay, what do we mean about the smart city? First one is the connectivity part. All the sectors or all the things should be connected, okay, with the population. Okay, all the things should be reached within the population or the public. Okay, and if what we are doing inside the smart city, it should be for only the public. Okay, so it's the growth rate and also all should be balanced according to that. And in terms of ICT, it's basically it uses improve the quality of life, basically life expectancy also, efficiency of urban operations and services, and competitiveness, okay, while ensuring that it meets the needs of present and future generations. Okay, future also taken care of while we are developing the smart city, not the present only, future generations also, with respect to the economic, social, environmental, as well as cultural aspects. So all the things, economic, social, and cultural, all the three verticals have been taken in the this one smart city, sir. These are the smart city
What
technology.
is political aspect?
But basically, don't will the this one political is the hidden vertical inside the smart city, sir. Okay, there is no direct relation with this one political, sir. Okay, because we are dealing with the connectedness. We are dealing with the connectedness, sir. It is related to